Apple fans swarmed the company's flagship store in New York on Friday to get their hands on the Vision Pro headsets, Apple's first new product in 7 years that went on sale in the US. The mixed reality headset allows users to watch immersive videos and interact with their surroundings. It costs $3,499 and includes 256 GB of storage.
I can't wait to watch this. Some of those
Yeah, it was amazing. Very cool demo. Encounter Dinosaurs looked great, where dinosaurs coming at you quite quickly. And then I tried the Mario demo, which was really cool. Where like it's a 3D Mario movie, and it's really nice. I did some panoramas as well, which was quite cool, where you're kind of looking around at the ocean. You can just look up, and everything is like all around. It's really immersive. It is great. It's got a couple of problems. You do feel the weight a little bit. But I think, if you get the balance right, and if you're laying down, take a bit of the weight off, and the top strap as well might help that. So we'll see. If you're an Apple addict or a geek, then it's going to be worth it. If you're not, average consumer, I wouldn't recommend it right now in its current form. I think we have to wait 5-6 years till the technology gets smaller, and then I think it will be better for mainstream.
For an extra $200, customers get a travel case. An additional $50 scores them a battery pack holder. The headset allows for prescription lens inserts starting at $149 and reading lens inserts starting at $99.
I think Apple is trying to make it less of restricting you from interacting with your surroundings. So I think that's a good sign, because for other VR AR products, they try to isolate you from the environment. I think that's not the good approach. So I think Apple is on the right track.
The other VR headsets looks like for gaming stuff, just for this, but this one looks like for during the day, you can use for watching videos and more how can I say? I think looks like the phone, but phone but in the VR version.
It's been a long time since Apple have such renovation that I think may change many things, may change how we interact with the world and how we interact with the devices around us.
We actually are a tech accessory company, so we make things like backpacks, phone cases, and so we've actually flown all the way over from the UK to be here, to meet the people in the queue, just get the device, find out what it's all about, because it's the first Apple first gen product. So we don't really know is it going to be big yet? Are people going to buy it? Should we focus on making products for it? It's a big moment in the tech industry, but actually it's going to massively disrupt the tech accessory industry as well at some point. So yeah, we just kind of feel like it's really important to be here and basically find out what it's all about and start using it.
It offers 2.5 hours of battery life on a single charge of its battery pack. Analysts say the headset is a crucial move for Apple's future as the company enters augmented and virtual reality space.
I think Vision Pro is revolutionary. It's really Apple in a next generation, the start of AI, and what Cupertino is doing. This is, in my opinion, really the next form factor. 2 years from now, it's probably going to look like sunglasses, less than $1,500. I think even though many are dismissing it, this is almost another iPhone in motion, especially as price points, 600 apps, and more consumers go to these devices over the coming years. I view it as a historical moment in Cupertino.
The headset hit the market as Apple's shares dipped about 3% on Friday following the disappointing China sales. Intensifying competition from domestic rivals coupled with longer upgrade cycle as consumers spend more cautiously amid an economic slowdown have stunned Apple's China growth, with sales there nosediving by 13% in the quarter ending in December to $20.8 billion and missing estimates of $23.5 billion.
I think it's another notch on the belt for Cook, another trophy case moment. This is long in development, and Apple now goes into an ecosystem of 2 billion devices. Betting against Apple has been the wrong move.
Oh, that is. The 3D is amazing. It's just mind blowing. Oh, this is crazy.
Look, China remains a headwind, but I think it's near term that we'll be able to navigate it, and we're not worried too much long term.
As the world's largest smartphone market, China is crucial to Apple's sale. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
I see two dinosaurs in proper 4K 3D, and they're fighting now. And it looks like it's right in happening in the store. And I see the tail's almost hitting me. Okay, oh god, okay.